In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WooCommerce plugin in WordPress. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and when you are inside your dashboard on WordPress, you want to go to plugins over here on the bottom left, and it's going to open up your store for plugins. There we go. And you want to go ahead and search for WooCommerce up here. So WooCommerce. There we go. You want to click on this search button over here, and it's going to go ahead and search. So WooCommerce, there we go. And then you can see the first thing over here should be WooCommerce. You want to click on that, and then you'll be able to see all regarding WooCommerce, and you can just go ahead and click on upgrade and activate, or of course install now in case you actually have a plan already. But if you don't have a plan, you'll be able to use this free on the business plan of your WordPress account. So that's pretty much how you do it. And then once that's basically installed, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have your WooCommerce over here where you can customize anything you want. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.